Okay, let's say we've selected a company, and I'll stick to United Exports. I'll generate a list, and I want to order 101 knickerbockers. So I manually type in the quantity I want to order, and now we're going to run a macro that takes this information and transfers it to our invoice down here. So first thing we need to do is go to our developer, ensure we have a relative reference, so that must be clicked on, and we're going to record our macro, and I'll call this invoice, and press OK. We know it's recording. If we look down here, first thing we need to do is press F5 on the keyboard. You can't use the mouse for this, and I want to go to the cell B15, which I've named order form quantity. So if I select that one, press OK, it takes me to this yellow cell, and I need to get down to 101. So using the keyboard, hold the control button and press the down arrow key once, and then release your fingers from the keyboard. You'll notice it picks up 101. Just hold shift and highlight, and with the arrow to the right, highlight that whole row, right click with the mouse, copy it, and now we're going to take it to the invoice sheet, and again F5 on the keyboard to bring up our go to function, and this time we want to go to this yellow cell, which I've called invoice quantity. So if I press OK, it takes me to there, and again control down arrow key once, and you'll notice it takes you to quantity. Take your fingers off the keyboard and then just press one more time down with the down arrow key only to go to the first empty row, and then right click and paste the values. Then to finish off our macro, let's go back to the order form and let's delete that whole highlighted area. So press delete. It's clear because we've ordered that information, and we can stop the macro. Then assign it to the invoice button. So assign macro, we go to our invoice macro, press OK, and so this time let's say I order 22, press the button, and if we go over to invoice, it's put it down there and given us a total for that one.